Let's begin today's session with centering. Begin in a kneeling pose with palms to your chest. Take slow breaths here. From kneeling, extend right leg out, lift arms overhead, and lean sideways. Option, you may sweep the top of your arms forward and down into a slight fold, then rise back up and repeat. If it's more comfortable to stay lean to the side, you may do so. Listen to your body. Let's give that other side some love. And I'd like to point out, now looking back, my right bent leg is not straight. So to prevent injuries, make sure that your bent leg is straight in this stretch. Let's start off in low lunge and bend back into cactus pose. Reach up to the sky and come down to half split. If you'd like, you can stay in low lunge or you can continue the flow. Let's switch to the other side, guys. And to make sure that you are still inhaling through your nose and exhaling through the mouth in each pose. Let's go back into low lunge with your right foot, right hand on the ground, left hand stretches to the right side. Make sure to find your breath here and stay with it. Inhaling through the nose and exhaling through the mouth. Let's come into a low lunge on the left side. Left arm on the ground, right hand sweeps over to the left side, feeling the stretch in the right side of the body now. Let's come into our forward fold, letting the arms hang heavy along with the head. You may sway side to side to release any extra tension. If you'd like, you can place your hands on the back of your heels if it's comfortable for you. Listen to your body. Let's begin with bending the knees slowly and coming into our seated side twist. Grabbing the left knee, lean to the right with your left hand, creating a side stretch on the left side. Let's grab a yoga block or a pillow. We are going to recline back onto the yoga block, and we are going to let our heart open here. You can keep the yoga block here or remove it for this next pose. We are going to bring the soles of our feet together and bring one hand to the heart and one to the belly. Relax into this pose. You can start bringing awareness back to the body. And once you're ready, Slowly take a seat up. Thank yourself for showing up today. You did amazing. Namaste.